You are listening to the Black Law Firm Marketing Podcast with your host, Lee Brooks.
Are you a Black-owned law firm striving to expand your client base, increase local leads, and ultimately grow your revenue? Why? You don't really have to answer that question because I know the answer is yes, of course you are. So because of that, it's imperative to recognize the significant missed opportunities that your Black-owned law firm could be experiencing from not running keyword optimized Google search and display ads. So of course, at Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, we understand the role that targeted advertising plays in driving success for law firms in today's ultra competitive market. And that's why for this podcast, we're going to thoroughly discuss the top 10 ways that Black-owned law firms are missing out on hundreds of local leads and potentially thousands in revenue each month. Of course, as well, since it's our podcast, I will highlight how our agency can help you size these opportunities with our suite of affordable AI-powered digital marketing solutions. But we'll discuss that towards the end of our podcast today. So let's jump right into our content. Let's focus on the number one issue, which is lack of visibility in search results. So without keyword optimized Google search ads, Black-owned law firms are essentially invisible to potential clients actively seeking legal services in their local area. In today's competitive market, consumers turn to search engines like Google to find solutions to their problems, including legal representation. And you also do this. What is the statement that we all say when we need to look for something? Google it. It's actually been incorporated into the English language now, which didn't exist probably 20 years ago, 25 years ago. However, without an effective advertising strategy in place, these law firms, like your Black-owned law firm, risk being buried beneath competitors in search engine results pages, also known as SERPs. Now, as a result, you miss out on valuable opportunities to connect with individuals who are actively seeking legal assistance. By leveraging keyword optimized Google search ads, Black-owned law firms can ensure that their services are prominently displayed to users searching for relevant keywords related to their practice areas. This increased visibility not only drives more traffic to their websites, but also increases the likelihood of converting those visitors into leads and ultimately paying clients. Number 2, limited reach across display networks. So in addition to Google search ads, Black-owned law firms can benefit from running targeted Google display ads to expand their reach across the web. Unlike search ads, display ads allow firms to reach potential clients who may not be actively searching for legal services, but could still benefit from their expertise. Display ads appear on websites, apps, and other digital platforms within Google's extensive network of partner sites. By strategically placing ads on relevant websites and targeting specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, Black-owned law firms can effectively increase brand awareness and capture the attention of individuals who may require legal assistance in the future. However, without leveraging this advertising channel, these firms, Black-owned law firms like you, miss out on valuable opportunities to engage with potential clients and establish a strong presence within their respective local communities. Number 3, failure to capitalize on high-intent keywords. High-intent keywords are crucial for capturing leads at the moment when potential clients are actively seeking your legal services. These keywords signal strong purchase intent and indicate that users are ready to take action, whether it's scheduling a consultation or contacting your Black-owned law firm directly. However, Without running keyword optimized Google search ads, Black-owned law firms like you miss out on the opportunity to target these high intent keywords effectively. As a result, your ads, may not appear prominently in search results when users enter relevant queries, leading to missed opportunities for lead generation and client acquisition. Now, by identifying and bidding on these high intent keywords related to your respective practice areas, you can ensure that your ads are displayed to users at the precise moment when they're most likely to convert, thus maximizing the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns and driving more leads to your business. So, the more targeted your ads are, the more specific you are in terms of the keywords that you use. And at Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, we have a strategy that we've coined our geo micro niche strategy. Geo micro niche, or our GMN strategy, where we're focused on very specific keywords and we target the cities and states as well, so that people who are looking, for instance, for a personal injury lawyer within Miami, for instance, and if they want someone who's a Black-owned law firm, you're going to come up first place for those respective keywords, because we not only are targeting those keywords, but we've built content to support those keywords as well. But again, we're going to talk about those things further down in this podcast. I digress. Number 4, missed opportunities for brand awareness. Building brand awareness is essential for any business, including Black-owned law firms like you who are looking to attract local clients. Again, without running Google ads, you are missing out on valuable opportunities to increase your brand visibility among local audiences actively searching for your respective legal services. Google ads allow Black-owned law firms like you to display their ads at the top of search results, ensuring maximum exposure to users seeking relevant information. By not leveraging this advertising channel, Black-owned law firms like you may struggle to establish a strong presence in the minds of potential clients, leading to missed opportunities for brand recognition and recall. Investing in keyword optimized Google ads can help you increase your visibility and establish yourself as the trusted authority in your respective practice areas, which thus ultimately drives more leads and revenue to your business. So I hope that makes sense. You are literally missing out on the opportunity to put your brand in front of the prospective clients that are searching for you, that are searching for the expertise, for the legal services that you offer. Number 5, underutilizing ad extensions. Now, we're going to break this down and we're going to make it simple because I recognize you may not be a Google ad expert. But to keep it simple, ad extensions are basically powerful tools that can enhance the visibility and effectiveness of your Google ad campaigns. But, and there's always a but, without utilizing these extensions, you may fail to provide clients with valuable additional information and opportunities for engagement. So if you want to learn more about, what ad extensions are, you can always visit our website to learn more, or you can Google right now what ad extensions are, and it breaks down exactly why it's so important to incorporate into your respective Google ad campaigns. For example, call extensions allow users to contact a law firm directly from the search results page, while a location extension displays the firm's address and proximity to the user's location. So by not leveraging these extensions, you might be missing out on opportunities to drive more qualified leads and conversions, and ultimately limiting the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. So creating Google ads and launching them is not all that you need to be doing. You need to optimize it. You need to be incorporating these ad extensions as well. Thus, by incorporating ad extensions into your respective Google ad campaigns, you can provide potential clients with the information they need to make informed decisions and, most importantly, take action, thus ultimately driving more leads and revenue to your business. Ad extensions, super important. Number 6, ineffective ad copy and messaging. So this one is probably one of the easiest ways or easiest hurdles, stumbling blocks to overcome. Because of tools like ChatGPT, you don't have to hire an ad specialist, an ad copy specialist, or a copywriter anymore. AI has eliminated many of those jobs, unfortunately. Fortunately for us as business owners and for you as a Black-owned law firm owner, not so good for copywriters who have, made a living from creating copy. But crafting compelling ad copy that resonates with your target audience is indeed crucial for driving engagement and conversions. Although without professional copywriting and keyword optimization, you may struggle to create ads that effectively communicate your unique value proposition and compel potential clients to take action. So again, if you're doing this yourself, it's going to struggle. But even if you use tools like ChatGPT, you still have to understand how to incorporate those keywords, because you want to create copy that's not only enticing for your respective audience, but you also want content that's going to help you rank well and help your ads perform well as well. So you still need to have an expertise. You can't just use ChatGPT and create an ad and expect it to do amazing. You're going to be competing against other powerhouse law firms that may have bigger budgets than you, that have more spending capacity than you do. So your ads have to be on point, have to be compelling, have to be strong so that you can succeed and supersede your competitors within the competitive market. And specifically here, we're talking about as it pertains to Google Ads, all right? Ineffective ad copy and messaging can result in low click-through rates and poor conversion rates, ultimately diminishing the ROI, the return on investment of your advertising efforts. By partnering with a digital marketing agency, shameless plug, like Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, you can access expert copywriting services and strategic keyword optimization to create ads that capture attention, convey credibility, and encourage users to engage further. With compelling ad copy and messaging in place, Black-owned law firms such as yours can maximize the effectiveness of your respective Google ad campaigns and drive more leads and revenue for your business. Number 7, failure to target specific demographics and audiences. Google Ads offer sophisticated targeting options that allow advertisers to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. However, without leveraging these targeted capabilities, Black-owned law firms like you may miss out on opportunities to tailor your respective messaging to different audience segments and maximize the effectiveness of your overall campaigns. But by targeting specific demographics and audiences, you can ensure that your ads are displayed to individuals who are most likely to be interested in your respective legal services, thereby increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Here's another shameless plug: partnering with digital marketing agencies like Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, just us, I'm not recommending any others, of course I'm biased, will allow your firm to access, again, advanced targeting capabilities and strategic audience segmentation, and ensure that your ads reach the right people at the right time and drive more qualified leads for your respective business. So we've been doing this a long time now for Black-owned law firms, and we know that we can do the same for you. We can drive those same amazing results that we've been driving for our clients for years now. Number 8, inefficient budget allocation and management. Now, a proper budget allocation and management are essential for maximizing the ROI of your Google ad campaigns. Without careful planning and oversight, you may overspend on ineffective campaigns or utterly just fail to allocate sufficient budget to high-performing keywords or ad groups. You don't want to be putting your money into a sinking boat. You want to make sure that every dollar is allocated to a campaign that's going to give you a positive return on investment. And this is where you need to properly budget your allocation. You need to have someone manage that for you so that every day your ads are being looked over, reviewed, so that you're maximizing your ad spend. Inefficient budget allocation and management will result in wasted ad spend, missed opportunities to maximize the effectiveness of your advertising efforts. At Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, you will have a team of experts that can not only focus on, managing your budget, optimizing your budget, but the techniques that we'll use will help ensure that your advertising budget is driving a positive ROI and driving you the most conversions as possible, all right? With a proper budget allocation and management in place, you will be able to maximize, again, your local leads and ultimately your revenue on a monthly basis. So we're coming down to a close now. Number 9 is lack of conversion tracking and optimization. So proper conversion tracking is essential for measuring the effectiveness of Google ad campaigns and optimizing for key performance metrics, also known as KPIs, such as lead generation and client acquisition. However, without accurate tracking in place, you may struggle to identify and capitalize on opportunities for improvement. Without conversion tracking, it's challenging to determine which ads, keywords, or targeting strategies are driving the most leads and conversions, making it difficult to optimize campaigns for maximum effectiveness. By having an agency like Black Law Firm Marketing Agency managing this for you, we'll be able to implement robust conversion tracking systems and strategic optimization techniques to help you measure the impact of all of your advertising efforts accurately. With this proper conversion tracking and optimization, we'll be able to identify areas for improvement, refine your advertising strategies, and ultimately drive more traffic, more qualified local leads and traffic for and to your business. Lastly, we're going to discuss limited insights and analytics. Now, it's easy for any agency to create a bunch of reports and say, this is what's happening. But I know you don't have the time to analyze all these different reports. So what we do at Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, we create a dashboard for you that pulls in all these various reports and displays it in a nice colorful dashboard that's easy to understand so that you can see in one view all of the different metrics, all the different conversions, what you're spending, and it literally shows you all the results that we're able to generate for you on a monthly basis. Through your Google ads, through your website, even through your Facebook, Instagram ads, through LinkedIn, if you have Twitter, if you have TikTok, through Google My Business optimization, all of that is displayed on one dashboard, which is easy, which is user-friendly, which gives you all the insights you need to know to understand what's happening, how your budget's being allocated, and how we're driving results for you on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. With that said, robust web analytics and marketing dashboard tools provide valuable insights, as I mentioned, into your campaign performance, audience behavior, and opportunities for optimization. Without a marketing dashboard that brings all this together, as I've mentioned before, you're simply not going to be able to analyze all the data in order to make sound decisions. So that's why at Black Law Firm Marketing Agency, we strive and, focus on really providing value to our clients by creating these marketing dashboards so that, one, to remove all the digital marketing jargon and confusing terms and removing all of the, I call it marketing fluff, We remove all the marketing fluff from all the reports and really give you the numbers that matter most. Well, that basically summarized the top 10 ways that your Black-owned law firm could be missing out on local leads and thousands in revenue each month by not implementing keyword optimized Google search and display ads. If you're ready to unlock your Black-owned law firm's potential with keyword optimized Google ads, feel free to book your free strategy call with me, Lee, where we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your website and overall marketing presence, which we call your digital marketing blueprint. Here, we'll discuss some of the business limiting issues that could be keeping your law firm back from maximizing its local leads and overall revenue on a monthly basis, and how our affordable AI-powered digital marketing solutions can help transform your results. Until next week, please continue to stay blessed and prosperous. Bye for now.
You are listening to the Black Law Firm Marketing Podcast with your host, Lee Brooks. If you've enjoyed our podcast today, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and download our podcast from your preferred platform. We'll see you next week.
Meet Deborah, the Black-owned law firm owner. Like you, she struggles with finding answers to these 4 critical questions, which are: how do I attract and keep more clients? How do I increase the web traffic to my website? How can I generate more leads for my business? How do I find the time to manage and optimize the digital marketing strategy of my business? But now, Deborah is a proud and happy client at the award-winning Black Law Firm Marketing Agency. Affordable digital marketing solutions for Black-owned law firms. Now Deborah is able to achieve a higher Google ranking through search engine optimization, attract more clients through Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads, increase conversions by turning more website visitors into new clients and customers through lead nurturing, build more brand awareness through social media marketing and Google My Business optimization. And all of this is achieved through our 7-phase digital marketing system. Let's start boosting your law firm's digital marketing results. Book your free consultation now to get started today.